All right, this question says, without technology, order from least to greatest. Tangent of 2 degrees, tangent of 181 degrees, tangent of 3 degrees, tangent of 184 degrees. So the reason this is doable without technology is because if you haven't internalized this idea yet, you should note that when you rotate an angle in standard position, whether on the unit circle or not, okay, tangent of theta, which in this diagram is y over x, is the slope of the radius. Well, let's say the slope of the terminal side of theta. So that one insight, thinking of tangent as slope, makes this problem actually pretty straightforward. So let's see, tangent of 2 degrees. All right, let's just kind of try to sketch 2 degrees. Okay, so 2 degrees, let's just say, it would be a rotation that might look something like this. 2 degrees. So tangent is the slope of this line. Okay, let's compare that to the tangent of 3 degrees. So 3 degrees would be a little more. Okay. Okay, so I definitely know tangent of 2 degrees is smaller than tangent of 3 degrees because clearly the slope of that purple line is less than the slope of the red. But then what about these other ones? So what about tangent of 181 degrees? So tangent of 181 degrees, that would bring you like here. And if I go 180, I'm there 1 degree more, right? Let's say this little section is 1 degree. Okay, so the slope of this line is equal to the tangent of 181 degrees. Now look, how does that compare to the others? Well, just draw your line right through, right? Then this little section there is 1 degree. But the way I drew it is correct, right? Because like this is clearly 1 degree here in this diagram. Let me zoom in on it, right? This is 1 degree, and this is a vertical angle, so that's 1 degree. And of course, that would be less than the 2 degrees. So I could have written what I wrote over here. Tangent of 181 degrees is the slope of this long blue line. All right, and then I think you probably see where we're going here. 184 degrees, let's pick like green. 184 degrees would be like all the way over here, and then an extra 40. It's clearly not to scale, but it helps anyway. So this would be, right, the tangent of 184 degrees is the slope. But like if you keep extending that, it's the slope of this same line. And that's clearly more. So now we can kind of just see the ordering as I listed, right? So tangent of 181 degrees is the smallest, and that's what letter? That's B. So B is the smallest. And then that's less than tangent of 2 degrees, which was A. Oops. And that's less than the tangent of 3 degrees, which was C, which is less than the tangent of 184 degrees, which is our D. So it should be BACD, which is answer choice D.